We are out here live this morning at Rolling Reed Ranch, rolling with the Reeds. So this morning, we are moving our chickens over to the new chicken coop. First thing though, gotta catch them. Second thing, we gotta cut their flight feathers so they won't be flying over the fence. So that's what we're gonna be doing this morning. And I got my trusty young teens strapping ranch hands. Let's see if they can catch some chickens.
You can go first.
Uh-oh, I think we got a scary one. I think we got a scary one.
I just need to
All you gotta do is just grab the chicken around the wings. I mean, you know, yeah, by the body. Let's see. Uh-oh. Attempt number one. Bingo! Success on the first attempt. Success on the first attempt. All right, here, you hold this thing. All right.
Gotta just do them now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you was gonna bring
No, you gotta hold it in your arm.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, she ain't gonna do nothing.
Hey, get.
Oh, she just pooped on
I
you.
swear to God, did she really?
Get it.
Bro.
She just pooped on you, bro. Bingo, that's what you do. Cut their flight feathers so they won't be able to fly. It's the first big feathers, painless, totally painless. Just learned how to do this about 20 seconds ago. And it's totally painless. That's it. This is a beautiful chicken. Look at these beautiful feathers. She done got fat. You felt them? Right, she done got big. Right, nice and heavy bird. All right, don't put her back. So we might as well just go and take her to the coop, put her in, but we're gonna lock her up.
Where'd she give me at?
Oh, right on your back, brother. Come on.
Really?
Grab that trusty handle. Put her in there. Bingo. She in there.
See your poop.
Where at? Oh.
All right. One chicken down.
Oh, yeah, it's your turn.
I have to go.
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see.
I'm not gonna be able to.
At one point, you wanted to be a veterinarian.
I don't know more.
You don't know more? Yeah, you do. You still got it in you. You still got it in you.
Corner it into a corner and then grab it.
They're gonna be in a way better coop. Yeah. Success. Ah, you gotta get the black one, Lamar.
If it poops on me, I swear I'm
Here, hold it. All right, pick it up. It ain't gonna hurt you, Steve.
I know, I just don't want it to get pooped on.
Yeah, okay. All right, move this in. I need this on. I need this. You about to get pooped off. There we go. Bingo, there you go. They say I only need to cut one side, so ain't no point of doing both. So we just cut one side to off balance the flight, and that's it. All right, follow and go take over. Get y'all a better chicken coop. Just gotta clip them flight feathers, and that's it. Bingo, we done. It wasn't as bad as you thought, huh?
No, it wasn't bad.
Not bad at all, huh? There you go, ladies. Nice, brand new chicken coop for you. I gotta clip that in though. Oh, that's why. It's on the thing. There we go. Put it. Bingo. In the money. Shit. Oh, she on the very end. This is y'all's new chicken coop, ladies. Got you some nice roost. Got your nice nesting boxes. Got one each, so you don't have to, pry. You can put up your own things, you know what I'm saying? Put you some trinkets up and get you some chandeliers, whatever you ladies like. You know, this is your own thing, your own spot. But there you go. We'll leave them in here for about 2 or 3 days so they get used to knowing that this is their, new home. And we'll see. Check on them tomorrow, every day. Well, yeah, for every day for the next 3 days. Got to put food in there for them. We have the automatic water. I set up. We set up. I'm sorry, me, the kids, family set up. Help me do. Got a leak right here. Didn't plan on filling this up, but it rained last night, and the rain catchment, that's why I was gonna use it, but that's why I put it there. This water runs straight off the top of this metal and fall right in that bucket. I had about this much water in it last night. It rained last night, filled it up. So now gotta figure out how to get this extra water out. I probably could just pull that up somehow, unattach this off of the fence, and then take that pipe up, and all that water should run out, because water, it's above it, pressure still come out. All right, but that's it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching. Thank the kids. Thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Lamar, for being my chicken chasers this morning, and did a great job. Appreciate it. Peace out. Rolling Me Ranch. Peace. Hey, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Hey, share the videos. There's more content gonna be coming, like always. Rolling Me Ranch. Peace.
Peace.